Friends, you might have seen matar pulao recipe number of times, but I am very sure this recipe you will not find anywhere on the internet. I have done one special technique with this matar pulao which enhance pulao taste. To make this recipe, add 1 to 2 tablespoon ghee in a vessel. Simultaneously add half cup of oil. Let oil heats up nicely. Then add pandan leaf, which is also called pulao patti. If you don't have, skip it. Then add few whole spices and also add thick green chili. Keep this thing in mind. Add all this thing when oil heats up nicely. Then only you will get good aroma into the pulao. After that, add 3 medium-sized onion and saute it nicely until it turns into a nice golden color. Don't make it dark brown or burn the onion. Now add 2 medium-sized chopped onion. Allow it to soften. After adding tomato, if you will add salt and cover its lid and keep its flame low, tomato will get softened quickly. Now add into it 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and saute it well for about 1 to 2 minutes. To enhance its taste, add half capsicum into it, but it's optional. Now add 1 cup green peas and saute it for half minute. Then add few powdered masala, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoon garam masala powder, add a little bit of fenugreek leaf, add a few coriander leaf, mint leaves, add green chilies and salt as per your taste and saute all this thing well. Now I am using here this special technique. I am gonna add this orange juice into this matar pulao which enhance its taste. Use only half orange, don't add its pulp and seeds, add only orange juice. After adding this, just stir it and cover it and cook it on low flame for about 1 to 2 minutes. After few minutes add water. If you are taking 1 cup of rice and if you soak the rice into the water, so for 1 cup take 1 plus 1/4 cup of water, and if you are not soaking the rice then for 1 cup take 1 plus 3/4 cup of water. But for making pulao you should always soak rice. Allow water to boil, then add soaked rice into it. I have taken here 2.5 cup of rice which I have soaked into the water. I am using here long grain rice, but you can take rice of your own choice. Now cook it on low to medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. When you see the water is about to dry, just stir it once. And if you want, you could give smoke to it, but it's optional. Now cover it and cook it on low flame for about 10 to 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, open its lid and now it's done and ready. Do try this recipe, share this technique with your friends and family and comment below. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.